In this video, we're showing you how to deposit cash using local bank transfer, now available for users in Canada, the UK, and across Europe. This is one of the fastest and most capital-efficient ways to get your money onto PulseChain, and reduces reliance on other options such as Wise and Revolut. Here's why users love it: faster deposit times. Automatic conversion to USD at excellent rates. No middle steps, just a direct transfer from your regular bank. Everything works from a local digital account in your name. Once it's set up, repeat deposits are quick and familiar. And just like that, your value is on PulseChain. Start by heading to the deposit page on the Coast website. Choose the option to deposit using local bank transfer. You can select from EU, Canada, or UK. Use the information provided on this tab to correctly address your transfer from your local bank. It is important to remember to include your memo reference. This allows your deposit to clear automatically as it is a unique identifier for your Coast account. It is really that simple, and if you have correctly performed a transfer, the deposit will be available shortly.